how to mute or unmute someone on WhatsApp. So what we'll simply do is we can open our WhatsApp app here, and after opening our app, we will, like, whomever we want to mute, we can simply search for them. And here I am searching for the person whom I can mute. So after searching, we can simply long press on their profile, or we can simply go in their profile, and we will click on their profile. And after clicking on it, we will get an option of mute. We can click on it and we will get an option of muting them for 8 hours or 1 week or always. So here I'm choosing 8 hours, and the person will be muted. And I will show you the another option. We can simply long press on their profile and we'll get an option of mute, and we can repeat the same process. So yeah, that is how we can mute or unmute someone on WhatsApp.